want to be fast, but you have to be right. Remember, if possible, make a video of you and or your friends playing Best Guess Live. Send it to us on your socials with the hashtag Best Guess Live. And I've seen some comments saying, well, I'm playing the game on my phone. How am I supposed to record myself? With any of the other cameras you have. I think you're gonna figure it out. With all that being said, let's win some money! Round one is worth $5,000. Well, is it worth five? Is that what we're doing? $5,000 for the first one? $10,000. Sorry about that. Round one is worth $10,000. Let's load the crystal ball with the first secret item. Listen, teleprompter's trying to give you guys less money. I won't allow it. Clue number one. Let's start this off hot. Okay, clue number one. A sign of the times. 20 seconds on the clock. Starts now. A sign of the times. Now, for those of you that are first-time players, first of all, welcome. We're excited to have you. This first clues usually, who knows? Takes a pretty bold guesser to lock something in. For those of you that have played many times, we appreciate you. We love you. Time is up. That's your first 20 seconds. Your first clue, a sign of the times. Fabled oatmeal. Ooh, I've heard stories. Said clock. All right, a sign of the times. Literally a sign of the times. It's a good guess. Let's get ready to Ron said bus schedule. Oh, Rhonda, let's get ready to Rhonda said bus schedule. Sign of the times. These are good. Are they correct? We'll find out. Clue number two. This app doesn't have it. That is your second clue. And here's your second 20 seconds. Go. A sign of the times. This app doesn't have it. 2 clues down, 3 clues to go. I'll let you think. This app doesn't have it. A sign of the times. Kind of narrows it down because in my opinion, this app has everything. This app has everything you need. Stuck on a desert island? Bring this app. Time's up. Clue number 2, this app doesn't have it. Heavy Arugula 41 said boneless wings. This app doesn't have it. Oh, maybe because it's an appetizer? This app doesn't have it. Bones. Now I get it. Clue number 3. Let's keep it going. Clue number 3 is full steam ahead. 20 seconds on the clock. Go. A sign of the times. This app doesn't have it. Full steam ahead. Listen, I think some people gotta be figuring it out, but who knows? This could be a tough one. The crystal ball never reveals her secrets. By the way, it is a her. We did a gender check. Ignore the ball. Okay. Clue number 3, full steam ahead. Yaya 191919 from Portland, Maine said train. Full steam ahead? Yeah, that's good. This app does not have trains. That's a good guess. Cheese Dude said dumplings. Full steam ahead. You steam dumplings. All right, guys, these are good guesses. 2 more clues to figure out if they're right. Clue number 4, remote way to scan for your short attention span. 20 seconds on the clock starts now. I don't know if you guys noticed this, but our crystal ball likes to make things start rhyming towards clue 4 and 5. If clue 5 doesn't have a rhyme, you know that's the end of our time. Hey, baby, thank you. Time's up. I distracted you with lyricism. All right. Okay, clue number 4, remote way to scan for your short attention span. Ashcash083 said camera. Okay, I guess you could do a lot of scanning, and you could, from a distance, it could be remote. Rocky Garden said TikTok, definitely a way to help the attention span. But there's one more clue to figure out who is correct. That's clue number 5. Clue number 5 is opposite of rewind when you're feeling behind. 20 seconds on the clock starts now. I called it. Did I not tell you? You know, that's a good clue. I've seen some blogs online. Hey, this is how the clues usually go. It's usually this. Everyone's trying to figure out the crystal ball. But I'll tell you right now, the last clue is always going to rhyme. I don't know if that helps. but it helps me. Time's up. Clue number 5, opposite of rewind when you're feeling behind. Feeling behind, by the way, not behind. That might have thrown some people off. Anyway, let's find out what's inside the crystal ball. The correct answer was, well, hurry up. Hurry up. I wish I had. Fast forward. That was the correct answer. Listen, not a lot of good Getty images of fast forward. So it's pulling from the envelope today. Anyway, that was the answer. Question is, who got it right on what clue? Who's going home with $10,000 or their share of it? Let's start with clue number 5. Figure out how many people got it right on that one. Opposite of rewind when you're feeling behind. Fast forwarding is the opposite. You guys get that one. 12,000 people guessed. 7,817 got it right. That's great. 7,800 people got it right, and 5,000 people thought I was talking about an actual behind. My bad. That's on me. Clue number 4. Remote way to scan for your short attention span. Well, fast forward is most useful for people like me with a short attention span. Just got to get through it. 9,999 people guessed. Out of that nearly 10,000 people, 153 got it right. That's pretty cool. Good job. $10,000, 153 ways is pretty good money. Now, that doesn't matter if someone got it right on clue 3, 2, or 1. By the way, if you think you got it right, if you think you're going home with the money right now, please pull out your phones. Get ready to film yourself. We love seeing it. We love sharing it. Clue number 3 was full steam ahead. Well, fast forward lets you blast ahead through all the content at full steam. 10,161 people guessed. 57 got it right. It's narrowing down. It's narrowing down. Clue number 2, this app doesn't have it. We've got a lot, but we don't have fast forward. And if any of you write in that you wish you had fast forward, I will block you. You will never play this game again. This app doesn't have it. 8,914 people guessed. 2 people got it right. Whoa. Which means if those, which I'm not saying anything, but if those 2 people take it home, they're each going home with $5,000. I'm crossing my fingers for you guys. But clue number 1, this is where dreams are made or hearts are broken. A sign of the times. Well, your TV display indicates the speed of your fast forward times 2, times 4, times 8 for some of us. You know, we like it fast. All right. A sign of the times. How many times speed you're watching? 10,579 people guessed on clue number 1. A sign of the times. Well, 0 people had that sign of the times. So those 2 people are fast forwarding. They're going to fast forward their week to the weekend because they're going out tonight. Congratulations. $5,000 for AC Davis, our best guesser, and Rank Trainer 263. Congratulations. That's awesome. That was a tough puzzle. But you guys got it, and we've got another one for you right now. Let's play round number 2. The prize doubles, Wild Wednesday. You never want to miss a Wednesday. $20,000 right now. You guys know how it works. 5 clues, 20 seconds. Only one best guess. Let us load the crystal ball. Okay. It's cool. It's green. It's wild. Clue number 1. Top secret military operation. 20 seconds on the clock. Starts now. Go. Don't want to give you a lot of time to think about it. You know, it's a long clue number 1. I don't know if we've ever given a clue number 1 this long. So, kind of got to do what I got to do to... I'm going to distract you. I feel like I'm giving you too much information. 5 seconds left. You guys know I can do this? Both ways. I don't know if that was a good distraction, but 20 seconds done. Brainy Bisque, 352 from Linden, New Jersey, said BTS. The K-pop band BTS. Top secret military operation, no. Who knows? Okay, clue number 2. Let's move right on to clue number 2, guys. Body shop with parts in stock. 20 seconds on the clock. Starts now. Top secret military operation. Body shop with parts in stock. Those are your first 2 clues. We got 3 more after this, so don't lock anything in unless you're sure. If you're sure, though, I'm not going to stop you. Clue number 2 is where they got it on the last one. We'll see where they get it on this one. Time is up. Body shop with parts in stock. Road Toad 1000 said the gym. Body shop with parts in stock. That's a pretty good guess. Easy guess. We'll see about that. Said garage. Apparently not so easy to guess because that's not the answer. Let's move to clue number. By the way, easy guess. Thanks for playing. Clue number 3. The name was longer initially. 20 seconds on the clock starts now. Ah, someone says. Ooh, another. But are they correct? Top secret military operation. Body shop with parts in stock. The name was longer initially. Time is up. Okay. 3 clues down. Rizzy said UFO. The name was longer initially. That's a good one. Unidentified flying object. And then Chris and Vinegar said Drake. Hey, that is accurate. Is he a top secret military operation? Who knows? These next 2 clues will narrow it down. Clue number 4. Round bucket with many sides. 20 seconds on the clock starts now. 18 seconds left. Round bucket with many sides. I'll tell you right now, when the crystal ball told me the clues for the day, I was very wrong on this one, but I thought I was right. And I'm sure I would not be alone. I'd be curious to know how many people say the same thing I did. Time's up. Round bucket with many sides. Let's go ahead and look at some of these answers. Savvy August 916 said NASA. Round bucket with many sides. NASA, I guess. Oh, spaceship is a round bucket with many sides, I guess. Interesting. Triangle Face 180 said garbage pail kids. What is this, the Bobbing for Apples episode? Anyway, clue number 5. Clue number 5, your fifth and final clue for today's puzzle for your chance of $20,000. Good luck. 17,000 of you have not guessed. Here it is. Clue number 5, the Colonel's troops live. I'll quit. Don't ever correct me. The Colonel's troops live in bluegrass coops. 20 seconds starts now. You know what? I will say this, though. The way I said it still works. Okay? The Colonel's troops live in bluegrass coops. So I don't appreciate that all of you corrected me at the same time. Time's up. Let's get through this stinking show. No, I'm kidding. I'm excited. Let's load the crystal ball. Let's see what was inside this entire time. The correct answer was KFC. Wow, KFC. Oh my God. It does look good right now. Now the question is, who got it right on what clue? Who's taking home the money? I'll tell you right now, 10,000 people guessed KFC total. 10,000 total. Now the question is, who on what? Clue number 5, the Colonel's troops live in bluegrass. The Colonel's troops live in bluegrass coops. Well, Colonel Sanders' troops are chickens. Chickens live in coops, and Kentucky is the bluegrass state. 13,560 guessed. 9,000 something got it right. Pretty good. Now, how many people got right on an earlier clue? Clue number 4, round bucket with many sides. I was still thinking military. I thought Pentagon, but no, it's the KFC bucket. It is round. Not only that, it's got a lot of side dishes you can go with along with it. It's a great clue. 7,949 people guessed. 816 got it right. All right. Clue number 3, the name was longer initially. Well, it used to be called Kentucky Fried Chicken, but now it's just known by its initials, KFC. 14,280 people guessed. 111 got it right. Very good, very good. By the way, If you think you got it right, pull out your phone. Send us your wins and your losses. We love it. Clue number 2, body shop with parts in stock. Well, KFC sells wings, thighs, drumsticks, lots of different chicken body parts. True. Body shop with parts in stock. 9,707 people guessed. 22 got it right. Whoa. Now, 22, $20,000. That'd be quite a nice prize. But did anyone get it right on clue number 1? Clue number 1 was top secret military operation. Well, the KFC recipe is top secret, and Colonel Sanders is a military man. That's my captain. 8,787 people guessed on clue number 1. Did anyone get it right? I'll tell you right now. 13 people got it right, which means, ladies and gentlemen, those 13 people going home with $1,500 each. Nice job. That's it. I've got rid of all of it. $1,538 for each of those people. Congratulations, Dull Velocity 135. Not tonight. Sharp Velocity. Ash Earth 928. Great job. Galactic Treat. Hey, go treat yourself to a galactic treat. Congratulations to all of our winners. That's it for this episode of Wild Wednesday on Best Guess Live. We really appreciate you guys watching. Congratulations again to all of our winners. We're here every weekday at 8 Eastern, 5 Pacific live. So come back tomorrow and don't forget to bring your best. Did I do it again?